Hello class. Today we are starting with the next practical, that is the characteristic of circulator. We have to, as we have seen, if the input is given to port number 1, it is available at port number 2 and nothing is available at port number 3. Likewise, if input is given to the port number 2, it is available at port number 3 and nothing is available at port number 1. We have to verify that thing. So today is the practical for circulator. So initially, as I told you, the procedure remains the same. We have to initially turn on or set sufficient supply through the bench and set on the VSWR meter. I think class, you are already aware, as I have mentioned in my last video, how to from the scratch set the supply on the VSWR meter. So today I am already considering that the supply is on and you are bringing the VSWR power between minus 34 between minus 30 to minus 40 dB. So right now if we see the scale value is, here it is 30, here it is 40, and so it is between 30 to 40, here it is 4 and in between 5, so it is minus 34.5. The power is set between minus 34.5. Now this power set may vary, depend on the amplitude of the modulating information, frequency of it, beam voltage and reflex klystron. So here we have set that value, your value may be different. So what we have to do, we have to now connect circulator in between, give signal. There are port 1, 2 and 3. We can give signal to any port. If it is port, if I call this as port number 1, I have to measure output at port number 2, and what is the difference between port 2 and port 1 will give me the insertion loss, and the difference between power at port 3 and port 1 will give me the isolation loss. So what is our job procedure? Measure the original power which we have measured, then second, measured power from port 2, that will give us insertion loss P2 minus P original, and the third one is measured power at port 3. At this port measure the power and find out the isolation loss. So how we will do it? I will connect the circulator here. Now see class, I have connected circulator. This is port 1. We have to follow the clockwise direction. If I am calling this as port 1, then this has to port 2 and this has to port 3. We have already set minus 34.5 power. We have already seen. Now what is power at port number 2? Just look at it. It is, I can see it as minus 35. You just have look at that value. See, this is changed. This is minus, this is 30 and this is 5, so this is minus 35. So the now here power set is minus 35. Now what is our job for circulator? We have to find out power received at port number 3. Now how I have done initial connection, I will show you at this time only. So we have to interchange the value, because here now I want to use detector and here will be the match termination. As we have seen, we have to use the match termination all the time in order to avoid the reflected power back from port number 3 to port number 1. And now we are connecting detector mount at port number 3. So if it is nothing connected, say it is at the falling 10, means 30 plus 10 40, and if we keep at 40 but again it is showing 10, means the power is still less than this. Actually, we are supposed to connect all 4 nut bolt. Here I have connected. So now just look at what is the power available at port number 3. As per the principle, nothing should be available at port number 3. If something is available, we'll call it as nearly the isolation loss. So what the value is available? Look at that. It is nearly at the fall of this. So I'm taking to the scale of 40. Again it is falling to that side. Again I'm at the scale of 50. It is again falling to that side. Again at the scale of 60. Now it is showing me some value. Now what is that value? It is in between 3. It is at the 3. So what is the power? Is 63 minus 63 dB. So now what the summary we have? Input set power minus 34.5 dB. The power observed on port number, the input power at port number 1 minus 34.5, power available at port number 2 minus 35 dB, and power available at port 3 is minus 63 dB. It is how much? 61. Now it is 61 showing me minus 61 dB. So that difference will give us, so this indicate the principle, working principle of circulator. Power is moving in the direction, nothing is available in anti-clockwise direction. Now this practical can be further extended. We are calling this as port number 1, this as 2 and this as 3. Now what we can do is we can give input to this port and check output at these 2 different ports. Next, the third time we can give input at this port and check output at these 2 different ports. Class, is that okay? The bench, this is the practical for circulator.